Good morning, everybody. This is Teacher Chrissy, and today we are going to talk about the last part of our review, which is about possessive pronouns. So, last week we talked about object pronouns and subject pronouns, and now we are going to talk about the last topic, which is possessive pronouns. So, let's talk about what is a possessive pronoun. Okay, let me change the search. So possessive. So when we say possessive, it actually means that own the object, okay, or you own the you own the subject that's being talked about in the sentence. So this is a comparison, okay? I want you to take a picture of this or screenshot this one because it will help you with your review. So this is the comparison chart for subject, object, and possessive pronoun. Okay, don't mind about the possessive adjective. The possessive adjective was discussed before, but you can also if you want additional review for possessive adjectives, then you can also use this chart for that, okay? So I becomes me as an object pronoun. It becomes my for possessive adjective, and it becomes mine for possessive pronoun. You, you, your, yours. He, him, his, his. She, her, her, hers. It, it, its, and there's no possessive pronoun. We, us, our, ours. And they, them, their, and theirs. So this is very, very comprehensive. Okay, so possessive pronouns do not have an apostrophe. So some of you might be confused between yours and yours. Okay, sometimes I would see people putting apostrophes. Remember, we only put apostrophe if we combine two words. So for example, okay, let me give you an example. Okay, you are becomes your. Okay, we use an apostrophe if we combine two words. But yours is a possessive pronoun. So you don't use apostrophe on that. Okay? So don't put apostrophe if you're talking about possessive pronouns. Okay, so we have some exercises, but we're not gonna do the exercises anymore because those are high level examples. So let's talk about possessive pronouns more so that you will not be confused with object, subject, and possessive pronouns. Okay? So we have here. So possessive pronouns do exactly what it seems like they should do. They are the pronouns that help us show possession or ownership in a sentence. So there are two types of pronouns. We have the strong and the weak possessive pronouns. Okay? So we're not going to talk about possessive pronouns because you will confuse it with possessive adjectives, which is actually true. So for the strong possessive pronouns, we have mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. Okay? The weak possessive pronouns are called possessive adjectives. So my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. Okay, so those are examples. So again, I would like to show you the coverage for your final exam. Please watch the other videos if you want to review more, or you can use Google. Just type in the topic. So, for example, countries and nationalities. This one you have to look at your book, okay? Because I will not be using the countries not in your book. So you look at your book for countries and nationalities. For possessive adjectives, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, and subject pronouns, you can use Google for that if you feel like your book does not have enough examples. And then you can also review more on plurals and singulars, the articles a, an, and the, and then present and past simple, adjectives, adverbs of frequency, and then prepositions of time, in, on, and at. So please review on this. If you review on all topics, I'm 100% sure that you're going to get a high score. Okay? So this is it for now. Goodbye, everybody.